Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI has so far reacted to the support area for a possible wave 2 pullback a couple of times. We have a small double bottom structure here, more or less, but that's not yet a reliable reversal pattern. We haven't even broken above the Monday high, which is located at around $1.97. So that needs to happen next. So again, it's between two scenarios here. They are both bullish at the moment, and I'm still looking overall for higher prices on the SUI chart as long as we're holding the $1.32 level. I mean, that is, I communicated that before, that's really the key support here for the SUI chart. And why? Because this is the 50% retracement of the rally that started here in September. And then if we assume that maybe a third wave formed the top here on the 13th of October, then this is wave 4 support. So we don't want any wave 4 break below the 50% retracement of a third wave. Well, if it happens, then something's off. Then the chart structure needs to change. And if the idea is to trade an impulse to the upside, well, then below $1.32, if there is no impulse, it might make sense to take a decision. That's obviously up to you, but I can only tell you that the structure is starting to break below 132. At the moment, this is simply a pullback within an overall uptrend. That uptrend started in August with the first move up, which I've labeled wave 1 in yellow. Then we had this wave 2 pullback, and now the third wave could have ended. The idea is we are now either in the fourth wave or a smaller degree fourth wave bottomed already here on the 28th of October on that Monday low at around 159. But then I need to see a little bit more evidence for that, right? We need to see, well, we had a first reaction. That's great. After an ABC structure to the downside completed. So this was a pullback completed. The price reacted, great. The price is showing a pullback in a corrective manner, also good. It reacted to the golden ratio level, also good. The only problem is the reaction to the support area so far isn't yet very convincing. The first rally was only a 3-wave move. Okay, a 3-wave pullback, that's great. And now it looks a bit like a 5-wave move up, but that makes it an ABC structure. So I'm not entirely sure how this is integrated. There are just too many options. I mean, I could give you a wave count that doesn't make much sense, because as long as we only have 3-wave movements to the upside, there is no reliable reversal signal yet. And it is also quite weak. But again, there has been a reaction to support for the second time now. But the price now needs to break above $1.96 and then $2.11. So nothing that we haven't talked about yesterday already. Any break below $1.70 will increase the likelihood that we are actually in the larger degree wave 4 and that we're going to visit the area between $1.32 and $1.52. So for now, I'm not convinced that this is yet an upside reversal, even though the price is clearly reacting to Fibonacci support. And just to mention that if wave 3 in white to the upside is unfolding, you have some levels to watch up there, especially the $2.63 level would be an ideal target for that white third wave. But let's first see if we can actually break above the $2.11 level, which I'm skeptical about at this stage. But as long as $1.70 is holding, this is something to watch for. I have no confidence, though, that this is already a proper reversal, because the structure from the low is just too corrective. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.